So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Netflix stock, ticker symbol NFLX on Moomoo. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the top right hand side of your screen and press on the search icon. Once you're here, as I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol NFLX for Netflix. Then go ahead and press on the top option. Once you're on the Netflix page, go down to the bottom left and press on trade, and then press on buy. Once you're on the buy screen, you can make sure that buy is selected, so that'll be green. You can change your session, your order type as well, and do the quantity of the amount of stock that you want to buy. And once that is done, press the green buy button and proceed that way. So very simple, very straightforward. This is how to buy Netflix stock on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.